In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook post using Canva in just 5 minutes. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating stunning visuals, and with this guide, you'll be able to navigate through the process smoothly. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Canva's website and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Type in Facebook post to find the tools you'll need. This step is crucial because it narrows down your options to specifically sized templates that will be perfect for Facebook, ensuring your post looks professional and well fitted. As you hit enter, a variety of template options will appear before you. Now this is where you can let your creativity flourish. Scroll through the available templates and select one that catches your eye. Choose something that aligns with the message or aesthetic you're hoping to convey with your post. Remember, the right template can make your content more engaging at a glance. After selecting the template, you'll see an option to customize this template. Go ahead and click that. This action will open up the template in Canva's editor where all the magic happens. Here you can tweak the design to better suit your style or brand. Whether it's altering the color scheme to match your brand's palette or swapping out elements to better fit your narrative, customizing allows your post to be uniquely yours. Now that you're inside the editor, it's time to focus on the text. Click on the text elements present in the template and start editing. This could be as simple as revising the existing words to something more personal or fitting for your post. Pay close attention to the font size, style, and color to ensure it's readable and visually appealing. Remember, this is your opportunity to make your voice heard, so be sure to convey your message clearly and succinctly. And there you have it, a customized Facebook post ready to captivate your audience. Once you're satisfied with your design, click download or share at the top right of the screen. Canva will then process your design, allowing you to download the file to your computer or directly share it to your social media platforms. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this guide has empowered you with the skills to create eye-catching Facebook posts using Canva. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more creative guides and tips. Keep exploring and designing, and I'll see you in the next video.